Do you know neem oil is actually $20 on eBay and Amazon and also Alibaba? You can actually do this in your house without actually spending a penny. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the neem oil from the scratch with fresh neem leaves. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia, and in today's video I am going to teach you how to do neem oil for your hair from fresh neem leaves. So first, I did a video about neem leaves, but that we used the dried one, but this time around we are going to use the fresh one and get our oil evergreen. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to click on that subscription button, like the video and share. On this channel I teach you how to make all those amazing hair growth products that you see and buy expensive at the comfort of your home. All you have to do is follow the procedures one by one, and voila, you are there with your product. So I teach how to do favorite hair tonics and also some amazing hair oil that are very expensive on the market. If you haven't watched the video about how to use the dried leaves, the dried neem leaves for the oil, I'm going to leave that video, the link to the video, in the description box and also as a card on this video. And don't forget to try it out, watch it, look at the two and see the one that is favorable for you and do it. They all have the same potential to do the same work. Neem oil conditions the hair, prevents premature graying, and also it is good for dandruff and itching scalp. And also if you have hair lice in your hair, this is the perfect oil to massage your scalp with. It deals with it seriously. If you've forgotten the process up to this point, let me take you through. So first, after plucking your neem leaves from the tree, wash it thoroughly. Washing it is very important. Wash it thoroughly with salt or vinegar, then blend it. I have added a bit of pawpaw leaves because I know pawpaw leaves is also good for the hair, and I was doing my pawpaw tonic at the moment, so I had both leaves, so I just added a bit, but it's not compulsory to add. Like I said in my last video, I like extra. I like combining things and experimenting with different things, so I've added a bit pawpaw leaves. But if you're not okay with that, don't add it, just use your neem leaves and you are good to go. Rinse them and blend them into paste, then pour it in your pot and add any oil of your choice. Cook it or fry it under low heat until the oil turns green, deep green. So this is me frying or cooking it under low heat, and I'm showing you how it is looking at every point in time. I left it on the fire until it begins to form foams. It becomes foaming at the top before I turn off the gas, then cool it down. Cooling it is very important. This is oil, you don't want it to pour on you, so cool it down before you sieve it. Then your oil is ready. Use it to massage your scalp daily or at least 3 times a week for perfect results. So guys, this is our neem oil, deep green in color. It's almost looking like black, but it is green. It is deep green. So this is our oil ready, and I'm going to pour it on my other neem oil. They are all neem oils, so I'm just going to pour it on it and use it together. So guys, if you've watched up to this moment, please don't forget to like the video and share. This is all I have for you today. Until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting video right here. Bye.